Hey, it's Rich Tehrani with TMC. We're here at the IT Expo Tech Super Show in Fort Lauderdale, and on our program is Eric Schummer with Senzary. How are you?
Great, happy to be here. These guys pull off extraordinary shows.
Thank you so much. This will be our biggest ever, over 300 exhibitors, 250 speakers, 7,500 people, so we're very excited. So the show's just starting. It's our first day, and thrilled to have you. And you brought a care package, some kind of demo. So what do you have here?
Well, actually, this is part of what Senzary is focusing on, which is eliminating all the barriers for IoT. And we also want to give industrial users a little bit like the consumer experience. So here you have one of the most sophisticated predictive maintenance solutions that you can find anywhere in the planet, but it's turnkey, pre-staged. You just get it, DHL, open, connect, use.
Fantastic. And what does it connect to?
It connects to any machine, rotary machines. It uses vibrations, ultrasounds. It goes straight from data to diagnostics. It's one of the only few automated diagnostic solutions in the marketplace. It uses LoRaWAN for connectivity. We also have managed SIM card networks that are deployed by default with the equipment. We use Kerlin gateways, which are pre-staged directly to our IoT platforms. We go straight from sensor to analytics, machine learning, diagnostics in a single step.
So I immediately think of factories, the different machines within the factories. I think of tractors, air conditioning. Are all these valid areas for you?
Anything that vibrates. Also, we have cold chain management solutions. Actually, we're also having a groundbreaking announcement soon regarding global tracking for temperature, leveraging the LoRaWAN network and the Helium network. And asset tracking is also becoming very popular in the United States for tracking people, assets within locations, between locations.
Great, and how are you differentiating your solutions from anything else in the market?
I think that as we know, and we've been at this 20 years since Voice over IP, and early on we learned that right now customers, I think, want solutions. They want things to work, and that work. So the first stage, I think, on the evolution of IoT has to do with providing pre-staged, ready-to-go, simple solutions that provide a very significant ROI, and that is the door that opens their mentality to other ideas like data mediations and analytics and other things that, for the most part, they're not yet ready.
Fantastic. And tell me about this dashboard. If I have numerous sensors and devices within my factory or my operations, how do I manage all of these?
That is an awesome question. Basically, there is the aspect of dealing with one machine and everything you can know about that machine. But then there's the aspect of dealing with hundreds of machines across hundreds of locations. So our platforms are designed we design a smart industry framework, which is called IoT Logic, which allows you to manage companies, locations, areas, machines, sensors, status, alarms in a very simple way, and give you complete control without the expense, without the time, the complexity, without IT, without integrations.
So it's an IoT operating system.
In a way, yes. I think that we want to think that we're becoming, or we are an end-to-end service provider within the IoT world. And because we take control of the sensor, the integration, the transport, the layer, the LoRaWAN, the servers, the IoT platform, the analytics, the machine learning, and the methodology to make it all happen. We're also partnering with global companies for putting our IoT platform edge modules in computing devices so that we can move into the edge computing aspect of it. So you can have multiple locations, in-premise, hybrid, cloud, in any combination.
Now, if for someone who's watching this and they want to learn more, purchase, et cetera, do they go through a reseller? Do they go direct? How does it work?
Well, we do direct consultations for large enterprises. We mostly work with distributors like CalChip, Combs & Hopkins in the US, and Netzer Group and others in Latin America. But we welcome all distributors and sales agents. I think that's the way to attack the market in the most proper way.
Is there anything else we should know? If not, how do we contact you?
Well, www.senzary.com. We have information around the show. And eric@senzary.com. You can contact me directly, and I'll be more than happy to answer any question or address any concern.
Thanks for being here.
My pleasure. It's really a pleasure.